Hello, friend. Target acquired. Hello, friend. Hello, friend. Is anyone there?
Why is it working so bad?
I don't hate you. Hello, friend. Who are you?
Okay. Releasing pressure. This is how the turret works. So we have two axial movement using two servos. Then we have this tower here. There should be a pellet inside. Yes, you can see it. And it is filled up with pellets and then covered with tape on top so the air escapes only through the front. At the front, once the pellet is propelled, we have two light switches which trigger two signals, and since I know the time at which they triggered, I can measure the speed at which the bullet traveled. Yeah. Then I have the webcam here, which allows me to capture the environment and eventually track people using some code. And it is connected to my laptop here. Then we have a tube, which is how the pressure runs through everything here. Then we have this tube enters this device here to the compressor, and it is stored at like 3 or 4 bars. And this solenoid valve closes and opens up whenever I tell it to. Here we have a connection which is leaded to some splitters. One of them goes down to the compressor, so the compressor can fill everything here up. The other one here is a pressure safety valve. So this allows me to prevent pressures from rising above 4 or 3 bars. And this one here is a pressure switch, which allows me to measure whenever a certain threshold pressure is reached, and thus stop using the compressor to pump new air in, and also so I know when I need to recharge when I unloaded everything. So here we have the compressor. This compressor unfortunately does so much noise, so I needed to construct a pi filter. And yeah, this is two big capacitors and two diodes. One of them is a throwback diode, and the other one is just for to prevent backflow. And yeah, this power supply is about 350 watts. And what else can I say? Yeah, basically everything. So basically, or what is everything? Basically, the solenoid valve and the compressor here is powered using this using two transistors below this cooler here. And everything else is controlled by the Arduino that you can see here, hopefully. Basically, it's a microcontroller, and yeah, this is also used with USB, so I can control it through the computer using code. Yeah, that is all I can say.
Who are you?